All right, here we are in the back garden. Let's see what we got. Oh. Here's the back garden. Oh, we've got some corn. It's doing pretty good for having hard soil back here. It's hard. And we have some good cilantro going on. And these were some tomatoes, and they are surprisingly doing really good back here. I'm pretty impressed by them. They're not getting a whole lot of support. I'm running out of poles. I ran out. We have some extra cabbage that we just kind of threw in here to make a cabbage patch. And over here we've got some beets that are growing. We've got our lettuce that we have harvested quite a bit from. And ripped out some sections to replant seeds. I let some of it's going to seed on purpose so that I can seed save. It was a mix, like a mesclun mix, and then back there's an arugula mix, and some other stuff that may hopefully pop up, some lettuce. And then, oh, we have a cauliflower that fell over. So there's my first cauliflower. They always fall over. Yeah, cauliflower, purple cauliflower, and lots of broccoli back here. This broccoli has been growing for quite some time. That's why it's crazy tall. I have harvested a lot. We have been eating a lot, and now I actually have enough that I need to go ahead and start to blanch it and freeze it. So that's good. Then we've got weeds. I'm really good at doing weeds. And we actually have some Brussels sprouts. I definitely need to help weed this section over here. What happened? Then we've got my purple potted pole bean trellis. And they are doing really good. It's really filling in and looking cool. My favorite thing. And I have lots of blooms on there. So far so good. Let's walk through it. Very neat in here. I've got 2 rows on this side over here. I got planted on the inside and outside. This side I only did the inside, so it'll be less. I like to tuck in the tentacles here. Okay. So they can figure out to keep growing. So then I get maximized per seed. How many beans I get per seed if I give them more space. Then we've got cabbage. Oh, wait, this is purple cabbage. You can kind of tell there is some purple in the veins. There's some other white cabbage. I think cabbage Verona. Cauliflower. All these other ones there, and I got a bunch of broccoli back there. It's not doing as good as I hoped. It's not giving me a whole lot. I have harvested some, and so now I'm getting the shoots and stuff. So we'll see. But I'm hoping the cauliflower comes because it's the same thing. Then we've got some butternut squash seeds back here. Oh, they were really hard to get going. So I mean they've got plenty of time, but who knows? This is all empty here. I'm hoping that the butternut squash fills it in. Here we have some celery. I've got some pink celery. They're pretty thin stalks, but hey, if I could put some peanut butter on it and give it to the kids, they'll like it. And then I save all the leaves for soups. There is 1 cucumber. Again, some extra out the back over here to the corn and extra tomatoes and cabbages. So there's the back garden. Let's go to the front now.